BAE Systems naval ships has a number of sites across England and Scotland. Both of our largest are here in Glasgow, which comprise of a mixture of office and manufacturing facilities. BAE Systems naval ships designs, builds and delivers complex warships for primarily the British Navy, but also for navies around the world. We've been certified to ISO 14001 since 2006 and to ISO 50001, the energy management standard, since 2012, and we're amongst the first businesses in Scotland to achieve this standard. We are also progressing on the Environmental Sustainability Maturity Matrix, which is an internal framework developed within BAE Systems to advance our environmental management.
Type 26 is a next generation frigate currently being designed at naval ships. A multi-mission warship, Type 26 will be capable of undertaking a wide variety of roles, from high-intensity warfare to supporting humanitarian assistance. There is an expectation that Type 26 will be the most environmentally compliant ship in the RN fleet, and these requirements have been included in the design from an early stage. This is an example of how environmental considerations are being taken beyond the scope of our sites and into the products that we deliver. We're developing the Type 26 environmental case, which is a robust argument and supporting evidence that Type 26 is environmentally sound through life. For example, we're working with suppliers to ensure that equipment contracts are embedded with environmental requirements, and also undertaking environmental assessments to ensure that environmental impacts and risks of the design are identified and managed through design or operational procedures.
The Naval Ship Supply Performance Review process measures the performance of our key suppliers. By including environmental sustainability, we can demonstrate our commitment to delivering and sustaining real environmental improvements and the sharing of best practice, not just in our own operations, but in those of our supply base as well.
Across the business, we are trying to reduce the amount of waste sent to landfill by having bespoke waste segregation for individual areas, meaning that we can further increase our recycling rates. Examples are the new for old procedure for consumables, such as copper tips used in welding, designated welding wheel collection points, and like here in the pipe shop, a waste station that allows segregation of all metal types. We have also trialled high bay LED lighting to be used in workshops and will be installed this year. During 2014, we saw the completion of a major refurbishment to one of our office buildings. Prior to this, the building was upgraded with the install of double glazing and roof insulation. The improvements also continue into our toilets. We have motion sensor taps, dual flush toilets, water tissue urinals and air blades to avoid sending paper towels to landfill. We'll be able to reduce our utility consumption and waste tonnages. We've also had a 6% reduction in cost and CO2 emissions.
We deliver a full internal environmental communications campaign to ensure effective communications to all levels of staff. For the last 2 years, we have run full employee engagement events at all our major sites in support of the United Nations Environment Programme World Environment Day. We have recently completed some research with Strathclyde and Heriot-Watt universities to look at reducing the bulk gases used in MIG welding. This research has delivered a 50% reduction in the volume of gases used, which is projected to save £180,000 per year. It is this integrated approach to environmental management where we have different people within different functions all working towards a common goal, which have delivered this increased environmental awareness and environmental improvements. Naval Ships is currently undergoing a period of transformation. Our environmental improvements are part of that journey. By embedding these, this will help ensure that we continue to deliver environmental improvements into the future.